The person who invented the PCP air rifle is truly a genius. It can deliver a lethal blow to criminals from hundreds of meters away. Let's take a look at how it works. The full name of the PCP air rifle is the Pre-Charged Pneumatic Air Rifle. Its principle is very simple. It shoots pellets using compressed air. However, its design is quite ingenious. The lower part of the air rifle is the air cylinder. Before use, compressed air needs to be filled into the air cylinder through the fill port at the front. The back of the cylinder is connected to a valve. Once the spring is compressed, the compressed air will move to the back. Take note that there is a small channel between the breech and the cylinder. Since the back of the valve is sealed, the compressed air can only escape through this small channel. It's worth noting that the pellets used in the air rifle are not completely spherical but have an open tail. This design increases the surface area in contact with the compressed air. After loading the pellet, you need to push the bolt to move the pellet to the position in front of the small channel, completing the loading process. Then you can fire. However, it's not easy to push the valve with just finger strength. To address this, engineers added a hammer system behind the valve. By pulling the hammer into the trigger mechanism's hook, the spring gets compressed, storing energy. This way, only a small amount of force is needed to pull the trigger. To ensure that each shot's pellet is fired consistently, there is also a regulator in front of the valve. When it detects insufficient pressure at the back, it automatically opens, allowing compressed air from the cylinder to flow through, ensuring that the pressure is the same for every shot. Now, let's go over the entire process once more. First, place the pellet into the breech, then push the bolt forward to load the pellet. Next, pull the bolt back to cock the hammer. Finally, pull the trigger, allowing the hammer to strike the valve, letting the compressed air enter the breech through the small channel, propelling the pellet forward at a very high speed.